Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to Ethereum. I see here negative signs. Let's look to Bitcoin price. So we have here the situation that the price of Bitcoin goes here to 56,000. And if we look to this chart, then we could recognize that we have here negative signs. Yeah, I think the next move will go here to this level, 54,600, and then we will break here down. This line here, this line here is very important at the 53,000. Why is this important? Because we have here good support from this line. Yeah, this was the positive trend line to the top side, and if you zoom in and zoom out here, then you can recognize that we have here a good support. Yeah, you can see one time, two time, three time. We break here out, but I think this is a fake outbreak. The walls, they want that you believe that we will go here to the top side. Let's look, let's look. Yeah, if you think, okay, the price is rising here to the top side, we make a break here, and then the next rise to the top side. It is possible that we could see here higher prices, but at the moment I could not see this. Maybe I would say if we say, okay, the Bitcoin price is going here to the downside, make this move, and then I come to the downside, then this is also possible because I expect here also a move to the top side here, fall down here to the top side and down. So we're looking to Ethereum. This is the last chart from 7th of September. 7th of September also here was this fall. We see this area at the Ethereum price. This is the area here. So if you look to the chart, this is very negative. We have here really bad signs, but of the other side, if you look here, let's look, it's also negative. And also here we could see this very, very better than at the Bitcoin price. This is a negative constellation, and this is a very worse constellation. If you look here, give me a little bit of time to understand this. Let's look. Let's look. This was Ethereum. We're going here down. So this is important. This area from 2 of October. 2 of October was this here. So let's look. From this point is important that we understand this here. So we have this constellation, and then we now want to understand why we have this moves here. So one move to the top side, then the negative move begins here. Then we have something like that, and you can see this is the end. But you have, or we have here a trend to the top side, and we could, let me check. This was the positive move. We could get something like that. The price could go straight to 3,700. Yeah, but after that, if we compare this with Bitcoin, let's look. If we say, okay, this is our move. Let's look. Let's look. If we say this is our move here to the downside, let's check. Yeah, we could get here move to the top side as described here to 56,000. This move here is this move, and then finally we could break here down. Yeah, so first target is 3,000. Yeah, after the 3,000 level, make a retest of this, and then finally we go here to 2,500. And after this is a little bit tricky. Let's look. We could fall more to 1,600. Yeah. Let's look. Important is here. If Bitcoin goes to 30,000, then we will stay here at 2,600 levels. But after that, I think we could get something like that to the 1,200 levels. Yeah. Let's look. Yes. So let's look. Yeah. But for the future, I think it depends how much we could fall here to the downside. If we fall from 4,000 to levels of 600 or 700, then even better for us, because then we could go really to 8,000. Yeah, that we make something like that. So there is an opportunity to get in, but no financial advice. You can look with your own eyes. Let's look here what we have here. So let's check if this is coming true, that we going here to the top side, yeah, once again, and then the big fall could begin. But here's also at the Bitcoin a strategy. If we not break this here, 51,000 levels here to the downside, then the next move to the top side could begin. And let's see and wait. We have here the possibility here to go here to the top side, but for me is more downside than to the top side. If you have questions, please write me, and I would go to the next crypto, and let's see what's happening here in the future. I think the negative trends will begin, and let's see how this happen in the future. So have a nice day. See you later.